Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to record phone conversation in your Android phone. So at first open up your phone app. Now from here tap on three dots, then go to settings option and then go to record calls option. Now if you want to record your phone conversation, you have to just enable auto call record option from here and it's done. Now your phone conversation will be recorded automatically. Now if I receive a phone call, now you can see the phone is recording now, and that way you can record your phone conversation and it's done. Now if you want to find your recorded phone conversation, just go to same settings again, then tap on recorded calls and here it is. Now if you go back, if you want to get notification after recording, just enable this option and it's enabled successfully. And that is how you can record phone conversation in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe